Okay, so Unit 5 project, our last project. After this, all you've got to do is the Unit 5 quiz, and you're all finished with this half-unit class. Okay, so what we're going to do, to start it off, we're going to create a document for the Unit 5 project. Click OK. Alright, and to get started, if you'll notice, it's very similar to our last project in that there is no text to copy or paste, and in formatting directions, we're going to make another template. Okay, so back to Unit 5 project. Looking at my formatting directions, the first thing I do is I'm going to make a new file from templates. So I click on File, New, from Template, creates a new tab. And under Search Templates, I'm going to put Resume and click on Search Templates. And now I'm looking for the Resume Standard, not the cover letter. Looking for the Resume Standard. Okay, and I'm going to use this template. Click on Use this template. So what it does, copy a resume standard, and we're going to rename that. So I clicked on that, it's on the title, and I call it Unit 5 Project. The last one. Okay, using a template, click OK. And then we're going to fill out the left side using your name, address, phone number, and email address. Okay, so there's already text here. I'm going to select that text. Bugs. So this came out a little different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to back that up. And I've noticed in this case, it might be easier to select each segment of this title one at a time and put in my name, my street number, making this up, 123 Pasture, and we're going to call this Carrotland, California. Now you're putting in your information here. You're obviously not Bugs Bunny, as neither am I. So you're putting in your street address here. I'm going to put in a phone number. Okay, and just one phone number. I'm going to assume that Bugs Bunny only has a home phone and does not indeed carry a cell phone with him. His email address, bugs@bunny.com. Okay, there we go. We're not going to put in a website, not asking you for that. Okay, under summary, delete all the text. Notice this Latin, all that is a placeholder. I'm going to delete all the text and type in looking for work as a Google Docs and Drive specialist. Okay, under experience, I'm going to delete the job title and the company name, and his experience, student, Monterey Peninsula College. Make sure I don't have any mistakes there. City and state. I'm going to type in Monterey, California, 2014. This is great. I mean, you have a really simple resume template that you could use. That saves you tons of time to be able to look this kind of template up. And then under experience, responsible for mastering the basics of Google Drive and Docs. Okay. Under accomplishments, I'm going to put a number of accomplishments. I mastered templates. Mastered hyperlinks. Notice the red. And I'm going to use my spell check. Remember that red underline from our second unit. Mastered tables. Okay, so I've got a simple list of accomplishments. I'm going to delete the rest of that. And I'm going to delete the next job title as well. Okay. Under accomplishments, okay, delete the text up to education. Under education, you're going to delete the school and type in Monterey Peninsula College again. And next under education, I'm going to delete the degree. And I'm going to type in AA 2014. And delete this text. Completed. And you're so close. One quiz and you're done. 126A. Okay, under skills, I'm going to delete the first skill and I'm going to type in undo and redo. One of the skills we learned. Research. And last, the cloud. Okay. Go ahead and check against the key at this point. Just made a real simple little resume. This is basically to show you what is possible using templates. Remember, you're working in an online, very simple, free environment, online, and you're able to create quite complex documents in this fashion. Okay, now the last thing that we're going to do, okay, I can close this at any time. Everything's always saved. Close my Google Docs templates window. So I've got this Unit 5 project. Remember, we had to open a new document? So I'm going to get rid of that. I don't need the Unit 5 project. So I'm going to click the checkbook next to the Unit 5 project. Now this is important. Do not delete the last one because that's our actual last project. We're just getting rid of this extra project, the Unit 5 project. It is recoverable from the trash, but that's not a project you want to undertake at this point. So I click next to Unit 5 project, and then I'm going to have that removed. It's kept for 30 days in the trash. Okay, so at this point you're done with your last project. You've checked it against the key. Then you're going to take all your documents, and you can either drag them one at a time into your Unit 5 folder. And at the end, you should have just 5 folders, Unit 1s through 5, with all your assignments in these 5 folders. And then you'll take the Unit 5 quiz and be done with 126A.